So this is a pancake. I learned this from a German woman. She said this is how they made pancakes in Germany. Apples, raisins, brown sugar, butter. And it's so good. It's finger licking good. Anyway, those things we make here in America, they're really flapjacks. And according to her, this is a traditional pancake from Germany. So, it's cold here in Florida. You can see I'm wearing short sleeves. But it's like 55 degrees. And I'm thinking back to my time up north. And every fall I would get depressed. I'd see the leaves changing and the sky would always be gray. And I knew winter was coming. I always hated winters because I'd get so depressed. And today I look at it differently. Like my last winter spent up north, I thought, how many more of these winters am I gonna have? I need to enjoy them. And it's not true. I moved to Florida because I hate being cold. But just my thought process has changed, you know? Like, I need to enjoy these. I can't just keep wishing things wouldn't happen and then grudgingly bear them. No, I gotta learn to enjoy them. And in the fall, all the leaves fall off and everything dies. And then they endure their hardships, the winter, the freezing bitter cold. But then in the spring, it's all new buds, all new flowers, it's a whole new life. And it just reminds me of, it's never too late to change. In fact, it's pretty easy to change if you just let go. Let go of all of them leaves, let them all fall off. I know it's gonna get cold, I know it's gonna be bitter, but just let it all go. None of it's worth it. So, that's my thoughts for today. It's never too late to change. Every day's a new day. You know, if every day you could start over, brand new. And the way I see it, I go out in public today, nobody knows me. They don't know who I am, where I've been, what I've done. Why do I carry that baggage of my past with me? Here comes the train. Ron DeSantis said the ports are open. He's gonna save Christmas. The train goes by like 40 times a day. Anyway, so getting back to change. You know, don't hold on to the past. Let it all go. Let it fall away like the fall leaves. And it might be painful, but everything will be new again. So thanks for watching. Back to my pancake. I'm so glad I learned this recipe. This is so good, especially this crusty part on top. Well, it's like eating candy for breakfast. The older the apple, the better. Lets all the sugars out. So good. Thanks for watching. Bye.